Welcome Protege to your first video tutorial on FFmpeg. In this tutorial we'll show you how to install FFmpeg for a machine with a Windows operating system and how to add the FFmpeg executable to your path variable so you're able to execute the code anywhere within the command prompt. In a Google search bar, go ahead and type FFmpeg. It'll be the first link, ffmpeg.org. And the first page you come to, it'll have a download link. Go ahead and click that. We want a Windows build. Click on this Windows build link. For version, I'm going to go ahead with version 4.0.2. If you want to be able to submit bugs, then go with this first option. I have a 64-bit architecture. If you're not sure if you have a 32-bit or 64-bit, then you can go to your system under Control Panel. And then I'm going to use a static build. So go ahead and click the download build. Accidentally hit it twice. Once the download finishes, we need to unzip the files. I like to use 7-zip. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my documents folder. And then hit OK. So go to your documents folder, FFmpeg, and here you should have a bin folder which has the executables for FFmpeg, FFplay, and FFpro. Now to run this, we need to open up a command prompt. Next we need to go to the directory where we just installed FFmpeg. So I'm already in /user/Eric, and we put it in our documents folder, so I just need to cd to documents. And here we see the FFmpeg folder. We need to go into that. And then lastly, cd into the bin folder. And here we have the ffmpeg.executable file. And to see which version you have, you can simply just type in FFmpeg and hit enter. This shows you what version you have and the configuration that it used, where it shows the different types of encoders, decoders that you enabled. So what happens if we're in a different directory, say we have image and video files somewhere else? If we go back to documents, one more, and I try to run this FFmpeg, it cannot find the FFmpeg executable. Why? Because we don't have it in our path variable, so the operating system doesn't know to search in a particular folder to be able to find this executable. To add the path to your environment and variables, go to Control Panel, System, Advanced System Settings. Click on Environment Variables. Then under System Variables, click on the Path variable and click Edit. Then we want to add a new one and select Browse so we can go to the bin. We can add the bin folder. So we added it to the Documents, FFmpeg, and click on the bin folder and hit OK. So now you see that we have the entire path for FFmpeg. Go ahead and click OK, OK, OK. We can X out of here. Now type FFmpeg. It still won't be able to find it because we have to X out of this command prompt and open up a new one. And now you should be able to find FFmpeg. That's it for this tutorial. If you like what you saw, please subscribe below or leave a question or comment. Thanks for watching.